How to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Windows laptop or PC. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your photos and videos from your iPhone to a Windows laptop or PC. Make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. So let's get started. First, connect your iPhone to your Windows computer using a USB cable. Once you do that, a pop-up will appear on your iPhone asking if you trust this computer. Tap Allow to access and enter your passcode. If Face ID is enabled, you might be asked to verify that too. Now that your phone is connected and authorized, go to your computer and open this PC. Under the Devices and Drives section, double-click on Apple iPhone. Next, double-click on Internal Storage, and then you'll see a folder named DCIM or some random number code. This is where your photos and videos are stored. Inside the folder, you'll find several subfolders with numbers. These contain your media files. You can right-click in an empty space and hover over Sort By to sort the folders by name, date, or size to make things easier. Open any folder, and when you see the photos or videos you want to transfer, select them. Then right-click and choose Copy. Go to the location on your computer where you want to save them, maybe the Pictures folder or your desktop. Right-click again and choose Paste. That's it. Your files are now transferred. Now here's another method using the Photos app in Windows. With your iPhone still connected and authorized, click on the Windows icon on your taskbar. Here, search for Photos. Open the Photos app. In the top right corner of the app, click on Import. Then choose from a connected device. Select Apple iPhone when it appears. The app will scan your phone and display all available photos and videos. Select the items you want to import. You can check individual ones or click Select All. Once you've chosen, click Add Items. You'll now be asked where to save the files. You can create a new folder or pick an existing one. After that, click Import to begin. When it's done, you'll get a notification, and you can click on the folder name to go straight to your imported media. And that's how you can transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Windows laptop or PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.